Hey, what's going on guys? It's Anafan again and welcome back to my channel. Are you suffering from the phone volume button that's stuck and it seems doesn't work anymore and you're high-tempered with it? Well, just cool down guys, because this video I'm going to show you few possible ways to fix it. So, let's dive in. Way number 1. Use an on-screen volume. Well, I want to start this fix with an easy and short-tempo way. That is to use an on-screen volume button. Well, for this you will need a third-party app. There are two volume floating buttons that you should try on Android phone. One is called Volume Button Show Native and another one is Assistive Volume Button. The main feature of these apps is to show a functional volume button so that you can use the float volume buttons without the physical volume buttons. So, here in this video, I'll choose the Assistive Volume Button. Let's first install it. Then I'm going to walk you through how to use it quickly. Well, it works smoothly, yeah? Alright, if you don't want to use a third-party app for on-screen volume button, then check out my other video on how to adjust volume on Android without physical button and without apps. Now, if you're feeling better with the temporary solution already, let's move to the ways down below. Way number 2. Debug the glitching apps or bugs. If you've got your volume button stop working properly after installing some apps or glitching from some other apps, or maybe your app just give your volume button some confusions on functioning itself, then it's time for debugging. Well, here are a few possible tricks to get away with that. Number 1. Restarting the phone. Well, the restarting option might be only work on some phones and not for others, but you can try it anyway. Just hold press on the power button of your phone for a few seconds until you see the restart button. If the restarting option doesn't work out for you, then check out tricks down below. Number 2. Figure out the app or apps that are creating these conflicts in the volume button function. Well, this is the hardest part of the job. If you're using an app and because the app got crashed or you realize that the app is causing the problem, then just uninstall it or force stop it. For example, some people might find out that their phone call app is causing the problem, or a call from a messenger app also create this volume button not working on Android. Just force stop the apps, then the solution is found here. Way number 3. Check these phone and app settings and updates. Number 1. Update your OS. You can quickly go to phone settings, then check the system setting and install any available updates. For more detailed tutorial on this, check out the video on how to update your Android operating system here. Number 2. Turn off the switch access in accessibility. This might work smoothly for some Android Samsung phones though. By going to the settings, then go to accessibility and turn If you're seeing the earphone icon or headphone icon on the top corner of your phone screen, then you need to get out of the earphone mode by disconnecting it. You can check out your sound output in sound settings or system sound settings. Still can't find out what's the problem with your phone volume button? Then check out way number 4 down below. Way number 4. Utilize voice commands for volume control. You don't need a floating volume button or anything like accessibility settings. All you need is activated voice assistant on your phone. In Android, just utilize the voice assistant like Google Assistant to control the volume through voice commands. Just say, "Okay Google" or "Hey Google, increase the volume" or "Decrease the volume."
Okay Google, increase the volume.
Alright.
Okay Google, decrease the volume.
I have decreased the volume by 10%.
Until now, I've been sharing with you guys all the ways and options I know so far. However, I still have a real fix in a way number 5. Way number 5. Check for physical obstructions or damage. If you tried all the ways up there and it's still not working out for you, then maybe it's time to check for the physical volume buttons. First step, remove the phone case out of your phone. You know, sometimes phone case can cause the volume button not working as well, since the case make it hard to press on those buttons. Now, check around the volume buttons. By the time you're using, the dirt and debris can go in and get stocked up under the volume button and make it jammed. This might also can cause the volume button not working. If so, use your toothbrush or cotton swab and gently clean around the buttons. You might also use the phone cleaning pads together with this toothbrush for this task. Now, use a finger and upward pressure to see if it's working fine or not. If it goes deeper in or hasn't loosened itself, most probably it has been damaged. As for the damaged volume button, does nothing happen unless you replace it to a new functional volume button. The best recommendation is to bring it to the nearest phone fixing service and they can get it done quickly for you. Most probably they will remove the phone covering frame and assemble a new volume button inside. Well, I obviously don't recommend to buy new volume button parts and replace it by yourself, since it's more complicated for you, and if it's less than careful, you might harm your phone and cost you more money after all. Alright guys, that's it for quite long tutorial video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop it here under the comments section. Oh yeah, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hype it up so this video can rank better and will be more available to more people who needs it. Thanks again and hopefully to see you in the next video. Bye for now.